For our new autonomous robot mower, STIGA engineers chose GPS RTK technology that combines cable-free navigation with the efficiency of systematic cut. GPS RTK works perfectly on open fields, but what about domestic gardens in which walls, trees and hedges could weaken the signal? For domestic gardens, STIGA developed a new patented technology that, together with GPS RTK, actively maps each area of the lawn. AGS, Active Guidance System, makes the robot predictive. The robot memorizes a sky map that represents the reception quality, strong and poor, for the different GPS satellites that pass over the garden. With all of this data always up to date, the STIGA autonomous robot can map the whole garden in cells and literally look into the future on signal quality around the garden at different times of the day. STIGA autonomous robot mower uses this information to plan mowing areas when signal is strong enough. By planning ahead, the robot grants full coverage, being aware of the garden elements around it, nurturing a healthier lawn and healthier lawn time.